Excellent question, Rob. Thank you. First song I was able to play when learning guitar that made me feel accomplished or proud. I've mentioned this one a little bit on Twitch, and I did an article for Premier Guitar a few years ago where I played the guitar solo for Crazy Train, and that was the first song that I ever learned start to finish. Like every single part intricately all the way through. That is, several years of learning before Dragon Force was on the table, but yeah, that was a great one, and such a recognizable song and really wide use of techniques. So, Randy Rhodes Forever will be one of my favorite guitar players. Um, I think I learned a lot of important, just basic guitar skills through that song, and then by the time you get to the solo, you're working on some pretty advanced stuff. So, yeah, Crazy Train. Maybe even I can tack on like a little bit of the Zach Wild edit. Those are some great changes too.